So hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to measure current using a battery. So we don't have any electrical things or machine or any things can be tested. So we only have battery. So let's get on it. So first I inserted first the two test probes. So the battery had 1.5 volts. So we're gonna measuring current. So let's set the range to since the the current in the multimeter is milliamperes, so we're gonna set it to 250 milliampere. It's because it's milliampere. It's less than milliampere, or the the decrease of the milliampere, or the. So let's get on it. So this battery has polarity, so we're gonna insert the test probes into positive and negative. So as you can see, the needle pointed at exact current. So it has measurement of 50 or 60 current, or milliampere. So that's how it is.